Melanie, is everything okay? You're very quiet at dinner. Yes, it is very interesting. Larry knowing some of our dead relatives. Why should that bother you? He says they're doing well. I see. So she was cruel? And it doesn't make sense that she should be at peace. Ah, and that Larry considers her a dear friend. Well, maybe you can let go of some of your anger toward her. Yes, it is hard to do. Yes, it's a lot to process. You should email Larry and tell him how you feel. Yes, I think it will help.